Okay, this is my little lantern swinger. He's more of comic relief for the site. He's made with, let's see, let me show you. Under the hat is a hood. He's wearing a raincoat. It keeps him somewhat waterproof. And then we've got a latex mask here. Nice goofy one. I love it. And then we've got a head that, trust me, it's not real. I've got that all mounted. There's a wooden stake that I just shoved up inside. Sorry. And then I've got hose clamp holding it in place. Got my wiring run up run up and around down the sleeve here for the green LED. This was a garden light that had just standard incandescent bulb in it. I replaced it with a 12-volt automotive green LED, and it works just fine. Got a 2x4 with a hole cut in it for the pivot. And then underneath, to make it all run, I've got a motor with some 3D printed parts to make it turn back and forth. Underneath here, right in there, is a Lazy Susan thing. Got 3D printed parts holding it all together with the PVC. Underneath, excuse the pantsing here. Just all mounted on a piece of scrap wood with my motor. That's from a robotic pool cleaner that was donated to me as parts. Some more PVC connections that I printed. And there's T's down there, and I have everything bolted down through the bottoms of the shoes. So this is all one unit. I think that's all for this guy. Oh, the motor speed control is conveniently located in the pocket. I can speed it way up, which obviously is a little bit silly, especially with no mask and hat, but that's how it's all put together. Thanks for watching.